first plato, that means A, we have to be slow.
The Greco-Romantic, well, that's a language that is based on Latin originally, and is found in areas like there and eastern Switzerland. In earlier times, there were quite remote areas. So the language could develop